On the 7th of December 2022, the Khasi Students' Union had paid tribute to their leader, late Bul N. Lingdor, who had led the union as its fourth president in earlier years. Apart from laying of wreaths at the foot of his statue at Malki Shillong, members of the KSU had also observed a few minutes of silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul on his 28th death anniversary. Also present during the event were family members of late Bul N. Lingdor. Speaking on the occasion, the president of the union, Lambok Starwell Marngar, expressed his great respect to late Bul Lingdor and also reminded the gathering that since 1987, the issue of inner line permit had been taken up by the late leader. Further, Marngar said that while the central government had granted ILP to other states in the northeast, yet the same has been pending for Meghalaya even after the State Legislative Assembly had passed a resolution on the 19th of December 2019 to seek the centre's approval for implementation of ILP for the larger interest of the indigenous people of the state. The president of the KSU added that the union had approached the government on many an occasion on the issue, but their demand has not been fulfilled till date. The union therefore felt it necessary to pursue the matter until such time that the central government grants their demand for the implementation of ILP in Meghalaya.
Kelamba kading untuk Islam pravenyo terter kata kadai ke inner line permit. Sarkar jala hak kendai terik jong penai no pra jong snem archer hak kendai. Galapas kita ke resolution ban pak sarkar India banjo kacing menjur. Andai hadu mentamene gimla basoto kata ke sarkar India kadang bunkam bandong bagadang puli bak kadang peniak. Ya kata ke resolution mengira dawa ban petrikam ya ke ILP. Nilai iru haki dikendiat sengi nak kawai ke Polkar Parti ni kata ke parti nang thina po ritor ke benong artatin sepang ke ILP petrikam yo ka kata sepang kata ke tourism yo ka kata sepang kata kinong dua jungok kai partai andai kai bengasopsi galong teng-teng lasuri dengan hakanoma ka serngeu andai kai bengi kwa ban kenen galong idon kam ya kita kian ke banyada ya kecak penreu iru koi ngem kwa bakenono ka benta wan pan senjor wan pan hier thma ka jaj pendeu jungi andai kapu ka jingkeli galong atau galong pop mo ya ka jala jungi bakan yo ya ka LP lada kimla pan ai ka jala jungi balai akiwai pat ki jala pono is lada pan petrikam ya ka LP junction apakah manipur ke bamsamla ton hakata lenong jong ka LP arjar ka khandai ka layo ka LP balai pat ka jaj pendeu ka jala jungi keladan hak tak lenong juga FPI lah persiang berpendu bat lah persiang ban kini jentet jak jing dawa jong kajat pendu berkoi ngapa-ngapa keren ni kita kum kisamla kolong kamtam didekat popura jong ki isu ngimong balai Islam ban urlong kita isu henrai pekongsan kolong haduk kanu ngilak ban yasa haduk kanu ngilak ban yang skam ban yada ya kari berkajat pendu berkoi ai ngilong mengi kaan ke ban yada ya kajat pendu lada kita ki badan hakabor ban pentrikam mikian di long matla bat kiset kelut ya ki skor jaga jengut jengnam joki kon samla kam tam ke jengut jengnam joki perdok pasnam hapo jong ke beri nyutrap perkoi